This is the Merrill CBD75FA 3/4 inch boiler drain. Now this is a full hard plastic or polymer kind of material. A couple things to notice about it here on the spout: you've got those external male threads, and then down to the female threads, of course. And of course it will come with the handle as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take a couple measurements of it, starting with a total length. So from the top of the handle to the bottom of the boiler drain. So it measures right just above 3 3/4 inches. And we can also get an outer diameter up here at the handle, which will measure right at 2 1/4 inches. And we can also get an outer and inner diameter down here at the female threads. So outer diameter measures right at 1 1/4 inches, and inner diameter won't be much less. So it's right at about 1 inch. And last but not least, we'll get an outer and inner diameter right here at the spout as well. So if we go by the threads, it measures right at 1 inch. And then the inner diameter measuring almost 3/4 of an inch. So once again, this is the Merrill CBD75FA 3/4 inch boiler drain.